Farther north, the same story. Rough surf, gusty winds. One of the places taking a hard hit, Bathtub Beach again in Martin County. And that's where we find News Channel 5's Tanya Rogers live with what's being done to protect that part of our community. Tanya.
Well, definitely gusty winds here in Martin County. You can see behind me the ocean. You can also see the beach. Not very much of the beach is left over. Many of you are probably familiar with Bathtub Beach. And then if you look to the left, you'll see some of the stockpiles of sand. Officials hoping that this will help so that a major roadway doesn't end up flooded. Along the coast in Palm Beach County, rough winds whipping up the waves. Near the Boynton Beach Inlet, some venturing out to surf, while others fish.
I got one more day on Christmas break, so I figure I'm going to spend it here, regardless, rain or shine.
As some enjoy an extra day off, others are working on the beach. In Martin County at Bathtub Beach, workers are moving stockpiles of sand from the parking lot to the beach.
They're moving it into areas that appear to be the most vulnerable to the next couple of high tides.
Martin County coastal engineer Kathy Fitzpatrick told us over the phone workers are securing the sand dunes to minimize flooding of the main road as in the past, moving the sand as part of the storm protection project.
Early this morning, I started getting reports that we were experiencing some pretty active erosion out there, and as the sun came up, we saw that was the case.
Extra sand put in place.
It's not something where we're seeing the entire beach go back 10 feet, but we might see an area that's maybe 100 feet long that's gone back 5 or 6 feet.
Now, the coastal engineer told us that workers will be back tomorrow, especially during high tide, to check on the sand dunes. Reporting live, Tanya Rogers, WPTV News Channel 5.